So hey guys, for this look I am going in with the Mehron liquid latex, and I'm just patting that all over my neck. And I will continue to put on some. Then I have Kleenex tissue, and basically I'm going to repeat the step and place the latex over the tissue. And you can continue to repeat it to get it as thick as you like. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe please, and like this video and comment. I would love to hear from you. So okay, basically I'm still layering the neck, and then I blow dry it because the thicker you do it, the longer it'll take to blow dry. So after that, I'm just going in with my I think it's Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation, and I'm just placing that over my neck, over the tissue, and I'm just patting it in with the Real Technique brush. You can use any brush. Now I'm taking the scissors and I'm just trying to cut that latex. And the reason why I was kind of struggling is because my scissors were very dull. But if you have a sharp pair of scissors, you should be fine. You won't struggle like I did. Just be very careful when cutting. Now I'm going in with the Karity palette, and I'm just dipping in that red, and I'm just placing it inside my neck. Then I'm going in with the Imagic Professional palette, and I'm just going in with that red, just to darken it up. And I'm just using a cheap brush because you don't want your good brushes to get messed up with the latex. So I'm just patting the outside. I went in with black also in that palette, which I am doing now. And I'm just going in to deepen up that cut to make it look more realistic. And you can use any paint like red. Then I'm going in with the Mehron Blood Gel. And that's just more a thick, consistent gel. And I'm just putting that in the inside. Then I'm going in with some more blood gel from Spirit. Halloween Spirit. Don't. Then I'm just taking some cotton tissue, which I placed with some latex down on my eye. And then I'm going over with some foundation. And then I just cover that up with blood. Next, I'm doing the scar on my cheek, the same thing, tissue and latex. And then I'm going to cover that up with foundation. You can add much latex as you want to get it, thick, or unless you want your scar thin. And I'm just adding tissue. Now I'm going in with that same foundation, that Wet n Wild foundation. And I'm just patting that on the cheek, blending it in. And voila, basically you are done. After this step, add blood. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.